Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy twisted updo. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear, going up slightly at the crown so it's like an N shape. Then we're going to secure the top section into a ponytail using an elastic band. Now just move that top ponytail out of the way, and we're going to secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Now, taking that top ponytail, I'm going to wrap it around the bottom ponytail using a figure of 8 pattern. So I'm going to start by bringing it down the left hand side of the bottom ponytail, bringing it underneath to the right hand side, and then I'm going to bring it back up to the left hand side and cross it over the top of that elastic band so it ends on the right hand side. Hold to the head and secure all the way down both sides and at the top and bottom using as many bobby pins as needed. If your hair's longer, you can just keep doing the figure of 8 pattern until you run out of hair. And then we're going to do the same steps with the bottom one, but we're going to give this one a slight twist. And this time I'm going to bring it up to the left hand side, and we're going to do the same figure of 8 pattern. So bring it up to the left, through the middle and over to the right, and then bring the ends over the top to the left hand side. Then once again just secure everything in place with as many bobby pins as needed. Now with those tail ends, I'm just going to lift up the section closest to it and tuck them underneath, and then secure with another bobby pin or two. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.